All right, now we're going to go into our prepared chat and we'll see what goodies our team has put together here.
Yeah, they were kind of quiet tonight, so I don't think we had too many.
Great. All right. So here's our first.
Okay, so what illustrations in CPT should be marked up for the CPC in my code book? Basically, I would do whatever your weak areas are. I know when we do our lectures and we do each of the organ systems for like CPT, we kind of review anatomy a little bit in the beginning, and that's normally when I would tell you, oh, you know what, mark this on the heart anatomy picture, or this on the digestive system. Do you do that, Jennifer? Do you do a little like anatomy review when you talk about the CPT coding and stuff?
Yeah, we use it for when people, if they're having trouble remembering particular bones or particular tendons or muscles connected to a bone, and the things that they kind of forget. We say put it back on that illustration, and that way when you're going, what does that mean again, and where is that? You can look at that illustration and go, oh, yep, that's right, and that's the section I have to go to. I forgot. Yeah.
And if you go to our YouTube channel, Medical Coding Cert, and you type in, I don't know, like cardiac or whatever, you'll probably see where we've shown our handwritten notes on our little charts and stuff. So you could, look at it that way. But basically, you want to do what's useful to you. If you're pretty good at that anatomy and you don't need to worry about it, then don't worry about it. For me, with the digestive system, I kind of highlighted the accessory organs in a different color, and versus the traditional, jejunum and the ascending, transverse, descending, all that kind of thing. And you'll notice sometimes too, like I don't know if they fixed it, but the last time I looked, they didn't put I think the descending or the sigmoid, so I had to label that so that I had all the pieces there. The reason I do that is if I got a multiple choice question on, say, medical terminology or an anatomy question, and I went there, it would help me figure things out. And I will say one time I took an exam and it was a question about one of the valves of the heart, and I forgot all about going to look at the illustrations. And when I went home, I went to, look it up. I said, I can't believe I couldn't remember which valve that was. And all of a sudden it dawned on me, and I turned there, and there it was labeled in the front of the CPT book. So half the time it's just remembering what you have. Be aware of where they are. And they've changed them over the years. When I took my exam, they were all in the beginning together. Now they kind of try and put cardiac stuff in front of the cardiac system. I kind of like them all.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some in the beginning. And then like when you get to specific areas, like each little bone in the hand and all the little carpals and things, then that might be back in there. But then HCPCS has them too. So you've got different books to look at. So.
And ICD-10 has images. So kind of be aware. I know for CPT, they kind of have in the beginning a table of contents of illustrations. I don't know, on an exam and you're stressed, I doubt you're going to go, let me go look at the table of contents and scroll all the way down. You kind of just got to know, like, I know, like whenever I have a question on the rule of nines, like for burns, I go, okay, I know there's a picture in my ICD, ICD-10 manual, and they've got one of the baby in the CPT manual. So, but I now know that because I flipped through it so many times. So half the battle is just knowing what you have. It's not even so much marking it up. It's just knowing where it is.
Knowing that, that it's there. Yeah.
So flip through, like normally I would tell the students, like a day before they're ready to sit for the exam, flip through every page of your manuals and just flip through it and just go, oh yeah, I forgot about that picture. Oh yeah. And now when you are taking the exam, at least you'll know it's in there and you can go, find it and think logically, okay, how is CPT setting it up, this year? Okay, digestive system is in front of the digestive system in CPT. Okay, that makes sense. And now you can at least figure out where to go get it. So.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.